sheep farming, an ancient practice that has stood the test of time, continues to play a vital role in global agriculture. With over 1.4 billion sheep worldwide, this industry provides not only wool, but also meat, milk, and essential raw materials. In the United States alone, over 5 million sheep are raised to meet growing demands. But what does it take to raise healthy sheep and produce high-quality wool? Join us as we explore the remarkable journey from the fields to the fabric. Sheep farming begins with the birth of lambs. In their earliest days, lambs are closely cared for, staying with their mothers to nurse and build strength. During this period, their diet consists mainly of their mother's milk, supplemented with fresh grass and dry hay to encourage healthy growth. By the time they reach 2 to 3 months of age, lambs are weaned and moved to separate pastures or barns. Here, farmers monitor their nutrition closely, ensuring they receive a balanced diet of grass, grains, and minerals. This careful management helps lambs develop strong immune systems and high-quality wool. Raising sheep is more than just feeding and housing them. Farmers must safeguard their flocks from diseases, parasites, and environmental threats. Through vaccinations, regular health checks, and controlled grazing methods, farmers maintain the health and productivity of their livestock. Not all sheep are the same. Breeds are carefully selected for their wool quality. These breed choices are often influenced by climate, soil conditions, and market demands. By carefully selecting and crossbreeding sheep, farmers ensure their wool meets the standards for both domestic and international markets. In the U.S., popular wool breeds include the Merino and Rambouillet sheep, known for their soft and durable fibers. Meanwhile, breeds like the Lincoln and Border Leicester produce longer fibers suited for strong, lustrous yarns. The most crucial stage in wool production is shearing, a delicate process that requires skill and precision. Shearing is typically performed once a year, ensuring sheep remain comfortable during warmer months. A skilled shearer can remove a sheep's fleece in just a few minutes. Each fleece is carefully gathered, ensuring minimal damage to the fibers. Once sheared, wool undergoes sorting based on factors like color, texture, and fiber length. Only the finest wool is selected for high-end textiles, while coarser grades are used for carpets and industrial fabrics. Once the wool is harvested, it begins an intricate journey of transformation. What starts as a thick, raw fleece will soon become fine yarn, ready to be woven into fabric. The first step in this process is scouring, the thorough washing of wool to remove grease, dirt, and impurities. Wool contains lanolin, a natural oil that protects sheep from the elements. While lanolin is valuable for skincare products, it must be extracted to prepare the wool for spinning. The wool is carefully washed in large tanks, filled with gentle detergents. This removes unwanted substances while preserving the natural strength of the fibers. Once scoured, the wool is dried and fluffed, ready for the next stage. Next, the wool is carded, a process that untangles and aligns the fibers, making them smooth and uniform. Special brushes separate the fibers into long, thin strands, preparing them for spinning. At this stage, wool can also be blended with other natural or synthetic fibers to enhance durability and softness. Once carded, the wool is spun into yarn. High-speed spinning machines twist the fibers tightly, creating different yarn thicknesses depending on their final use. Some wool remains soft and lightweight for clothing, while others are spun into thicker, more durable threads for carpets and upholstery. For centuries, skilled artisans have woven wool fabric by hand, using age-old techniques that create intricate textures and patterns. Today, modern textile mills use automated looms to produce wool on a massive scale while preserving the same timeless craftsmanship. The journey from fleece to fabric is one of both science and art. Whether woven into a soft sweater or warm wool blanket, this natural fiber continues to provide comfort, style, and durability, just as it has for generations. Sheep farming is more than just an agricultural practice. It's a key contributor to the global economy. Each year, the industry produces over 2.5 million tons of wool, generating billions in revenue. With over 1.4 billion sheep worldwide, wool production is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Asia leads global wool production, contributing nearly 60%, while Europe produces around 20%. While regions like Australia, New Zealand, and North America remain key players in premium wool exports. This industry supports millions of jobs, from shepherds and shearers to textile workers and designers. For rural communities, sheep farming provides not only income, but also stability and cultural significance. Despite its economic value, the sheep farming industry faces several challenges, including rising feed costs, disease outbreaks, and competition from synthetic materials. To stay competitive, farmers adopt modern technologies and sustainable farming practices to improve efficiency and product quality. Meanwhile, competition from synthetic wool and alternative materials continues to impact market demand. To overcome these challenges, farmers are turning to innovation, improving breeding programs, enhancing nutrition, and implementing eco-friendly practices to reduce costs and protect their herds. As technology advances, the future of sheep farming looks promising. Genetic research, smart feeding systems, and improved disease prevention methods are helping farmers increase wool quality while ensuring the welfare of their animals. Wool products, from luxurious garments to durable blankets, continue to hold a special place in homes worldwide. Combining sustainability with timeless craftsmanship, wool remains a natural and renewable resource with enduring value. From the green pastures to the skilled hands of craftsmen, sheep farming is more than just an industry. It's a tradition that weaves together culture, community, and craftsmanship. So the next time you wrap yourself in a warm wool sweater or admire a handmade wool blanket, remember the journey from the farm to your home that makes it possible.